Hi dear patients, I am the chef nurse of Dr. KARAALTINHAIR team. Today I want to talk about the new method in hair transplant, DHI method. There are three methods in hair transplant nowadays. FUT method is no longer preferred in nowadays and we use mostly FUE method. We use the DHI method in suitable and needy patients. We use the same graft harvesting technique in DHI and FUE methods. The difference in the DHI and FUE method is in the implantation the grafts that we collect. In the FUE method, we make some small holes before the graft implantation. But in the DHI method, we don't open these holes. The advantages of the DHI method over the FUE method are as follows. First, the scar healing is much faster in the DHI method because of we implant grafts directly. That's why we call it directly hair implant. Second, we use a pencil while implanting the grafts, so we minimize the risk of damaging the grafts. 3. We can implant the grafts in suitable patient without the shaved hair and without damage to their own hair. If you have hair loss and want to get more information about our treatments, please contact us. Thank you.